Well, we're back. We finished up soybeans, and now we're going into sunflowers. And when we do that, we pull the plates out already. But when we after the plates are out, we got to put new brushes in, which are right up here. The new brushes are a different type of brush for the sunflower plate that we're putting in. So let's take one out and see what it looks like. Let me get you set up here. See if we can get it to work. And this is actually what the old brush looks like. When we put the new ones in, I'll show you what they look like. These ones here, you can tell they're wore, and they're about a 1/4 inch wore down already. Here's a snap of the old one. This is the one they use for a soybean. It's supposed to be 1.25 inch length, but these are wore down to where they're about only 1 inch anymore. And the new sunflower one is 1 inch. But if you look at them, you can see how the front is all brushy or bushy, and the sunflower one, the new one, is pretty thin. And this is actually what pushes the seed against the plate or any double seeds. So if there's an extra seed, this brush is supposed to wipe it off. So you only get 1 seed per revolution on the plate. And here's what the plate looks like. And, whoops, right in there is where the seeds lay as this thing rotates. It pulls a vacuum, and the vacuum pulls the seed into the slot and then drops it. Which, we're new to vacuum planters, so I might not be correct on all this, but from what I understand, that's the way it works. As we change them out, we'll keep updating you. Morning, everyone. I guess it's almost afternoon. We've been trying to plant sunflowers for about a half a day to almost a day, and we couldn't get the planter to raise after we refilled it. And we thought it was the solenoids and all this technology stuff that we tried, that we thought it was a limit switch or something. Come to find out, after doing some more troubleshooting, we ended up with a bad hydraulic coupler, which, doing this my whole life pretty much, I really have never really seen this happen. But more than likely, we're thinking this will solve the problem, and if it's ever helpful for anybody, there you go. It could help somebody else out, but it sure is frustrating when you want to go and you can't because the thing won't lift or can't get it to go. Pretty soon you got 3-4 people looking at the thing and it just can't figure it out. But all right, here's an update. We'll get this coupler replaced, and then we'll see if it lifts for us. Talk to you later. Let me give you a better picture of this hydraulic coupler. The hydraulic coupler's got a spring in the back to keep the ball seated tight. And this one here, if you look at it, this is what happened. It let loose of itself, and that's what caused our air drill or our planter not to lift. Like I said, which causes some heartache for quite some time. But, all right, we'll keep you informed. Hope you learn something. Learn something every day. Welcome back, everybody. I'm doing a job that's about as boring as can be. soybeans is, I guess it's something that needs to be done. Rolling the field, what that does for you, it gives your soybean or your bean and the soil better contact. And the other thing it does for you, if there's any rock that might be sticking up or out of the ground, it actually pushes it down so you don't catch it with your combine or run it through on your combine. Because what you do when you combine beans is you're running right down on the ground. But yeah, you just back and forth, and it's pretty monotonous, but it's something that needs to be done. But anyway, that's what's going on today. And these rollers, the guy gets them, and there's always release them is what we do. And the guy right down the road wants them, so when you get them, they're wanting you to push them to get it done, and so to move on to the next guy. So that's why we're out here in the dark, rolling these beans, keep pushing to get done. Seems like it's been a long year. Been at it, it seems like forever, but we're about ready to wrap her up. We're done. We got a little bit of sunflowers left, and then we're done seed. And we just got to start doing some catch-up spraying, and that's about what we got left. Morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today finished rolling some soybeans and ran across the rock, and you can take a look at it. These little skidsters are amazing how they can dig and lift them little buggers out. This ain't very little. It's about as big as the bucket is. But let me back away a little bit. Big little bugger, big bugger, not little bugger, but a big one. Anyway, that's kind of what we're doing for now, and we're just picking away. When I hit this thing